Hey guys, how to create PayPal account. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store or Google Play, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and click the search button on the bottom right corner, and then just type right here PayPal, right? And basically download PayPal or update your PayPal to the latest version so you can actually get access to all the new features. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go back to my screen and I'm gonna go ahead to my browser. If you want to create PayPal account, just navigate towards the paypal.com and then select sign up at the top right of your screen, choose personal account and then select next, and then choose the country of origin, enter your name, email address and password and click next, and fill out the profile and click agree, and then create account. Agree on the terms and conditions of PayPal. You need to read that as well so you can get actually now how it's done. So you gotta sign up, add email and password, and basically add the bank or the withdrawal method to your bank account, and then add the information about your bank and everything. And basically you're gonna be able to describe if you have a business or if you're using that account for personal or basically business account, right? And then you're gonna be able to confirm, and basically voila, now you have an account on PayPal. It's easy as that. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.